Today we're making a classic egg salad, which is perfect for sandwiches, wraps, and a light snack. It's flavorful and super easy to make, so let's get started. Welcome to Carol's Recipe Adventures, where I share recipes you can enjoy with friends and family. Start by cooking the eggs. I'm using the Instant Pot for perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. It's the simple 5-5-5 method. Add 1 cup of water and the eggs to the pressure cooker. Cook for 5 minutes. Let it naturally release for 5 minutes. Then soak in an ice bath for another 5 minutes. And this method makes the best hard-boiled eggs. Next, peel and dice the eggs. I like to use an egg slicer to dice the eggs. Slice the egg in the slicer, then turn it and slice again. Next, add the remaining ingredients. 1 teaspoon mustard, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and pepper to taste. Stir until mixed well. It is best if you make it several hours ahead or even the day before. Serve as a sandwich on your favorite bread or on crackers. And there you have it, a delicious and easy egg salad. Thanks for joining me on Carol's Recipe Adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.